Our top story at this hour, viewers, comes from the capital city. Delhi and its neighbouring areas received heavy rainfall early morning, bringing a respite from the humidity while also leaving several areas of the national capital waterlogged. We're getting you visuals from several parts of New Delhi on your screen right now. Waterlogging being witnessed across the national capital. In fact, the Indian Met Department has issued a red alert in the city for the day. Over 100 flights have also been delayed, with inbound and outbound schedules also affected. Some flights have been cancelled as well, and this is due to heavy rains. This is what Delhiites have been waking up to today. In fact, the rain has been continuing throughout the night and today early morning as well. Waterlogging being witnessed in several parts of the city, although it is bringing much relief from the humidity levels, but also causing major disruptions when it comes to air travel and road traffic as well. In fact, when we talk about air travel, flight radar data shows that about 105 flights were delayed today. In fact, 13 flights to the IGI airport have been delayed, while 92 outbound flights have also been running behind schedule. So we advise you, anyone who has a flight to board today, do check in your schedule before leaving your house. Getting you visuals from Airoli as well, showing you the waterlogged streets, vehicles being stranded. This is one intense spell of rainfall and suddenly the city comes to a standstill. Major disruption to road traffic being witnessed. Remember, the rain started around 11 p.m. on Friday and have been continuing throughout the night in several parts of the capital and surrounding areas, and in the morning as well. In fact, several airlines at Delhi Airport have issued travel advisory. They've urged passengers to check flight schedules before travelling and also to plan for extra time on the roads. One can see the kind of chaos that has been brought in when it comes to road traffic in the Delhi due to heavy rainfall. These are visuals from Ghaziabad. As I mentioned, it's not just Delhi, but surrounding areas have also been witnessing heavy rainfall, due to which we are witnessing waterlogged streets and major disruption to traffic as well. These are visuals from several parts of the Delhi. Rainfall bringing traffic chaos to the capital city. Now, when we talk about air travel as well, authorities are saying they are currently running with the ground teams, working with relevant agencies to minimize disruption for passengers. Talking about specific areas of Delhi, Shastri Bhavan, R.K. Puram, Moti Bagh, Kidwai Nagar, they all witnessed intense showers, and waterlogging has been witnessed in all of these stretches as well. In fact, on the Mathura road as well, we are witnessing waterlogging. These are visuals from Airoli. People navigating through knee-deep waters. Streets being converted into streams also raises questions about the kind of urban infrastructure the city has. One intense spell of rainfall, and suddenly the city has come to a halt, causing major disruptions when it comes to road traffic. Visuals on your screen from Munirka as well in Delhi. Roads being flooded with rainwater. In fact, due to Raksha Bandhan festival today and recent rains causing waterlogging at several areas, including Jahangirpuri, Adarsh Nagar, several roads have been affected. In fact, to avoid congestion, commuters have been advised by Delhi Traffic Police to avoid taking the old GT road as well. These are visuals from Palam More. Several areas have been affected across the national capital due to heavy rainfall, including the Lajpat Nagar flyover as well. So we advise, if it's not very necessary, try to avoid travel today. In fact, advisories have been issued by the traffic police as well and the airport authorities as well. If you have a flight to board today, do check in your schedule before leaving your house. And the alarming thing is that it's not just today. The IMD forecast says Delhi is expected to get more rainfall throughout the day and another spell of rain on August 13th and 14th as well. Major rainfall bringing travel disruptions to the national capital city. We are getting you visuals from across the capital. These are the visuals from Punjabi Bagh. Vehicles being stranded due to waterlogged streets, one intense shower of rainfall and suddenly the city has come to a standstill. Also again, as I said before, raises questions about the kind of urban infrastructure the capital has and the kind of drainage system. These are visuals coming in from the national capital showing you vehicles getting stranded due to rainfall. Remember, the rainfall started around 11 p.m. Friday night and has been continuing throughout the night and early morning as well. So this is what Delhiites woke up to. Heavy rainfall causing major disruptions in both road traffic and air travel as well. These are several scenes coming to light from different parts of the national capital. Monsoon fury also being witnessed in the national capital now. Major rainfall disrupting traffic across the capital. These are visuals from Ghaziabad, as it's not just Delhi, even surrounding areas have been affected, including Noida, Gurugram as well, and other areas of NCR. An intense spell of rain in the area has brought the capital city to a standstill, turning roads effectively into streams. Although it has reduced the humidity levels, but again causing major disruption to the daily life, especially affecting the commute. Now the IMD has put the city on red alert, forecasting more severe weather to come in fact. Red alert has been issued for several areas in Delhi, viewers, including North Delhi, West Delhi, South Delhi, Southeast Delhi and also Central Delhi. All of these areas are going to receive heavy rainfall throughout the day, which will be accompanied by lightning and thunderstorms as well. All right, my colleague Ruchika is joining me on this story. Ruchika, we understand that heavy rains in the capital city has caused major disruptions when it comes to road traffic and air travel as well. Walk us through the details of what's the situation on the ground right now.
Yes, Ashita, the Delhi is fully waterlogged right now. We can see that the IMD has issued a red alert for several parts of Delhi, including the Northern Delhi, Western Delhi and South Delhi. Overall, the weather is expected to be partially cloudy here in Delhi and the temperature is going to be 32 to 34 degrees. There is a red alert also being issued for Ghaziabad and yellow alert for Gautam Budh Nagar for thunderstorms and lightning.
Can also help us with more details about air travel. We are getting to understand that several flights have been delayed while others have been cancelled. So specifically for our viewers, who have flights to board today, walk us through the details of that.
Yes, there have been an alert for air traffic as well as for the traffic in the city because several roads are affected by this. Also, the air travel in Delhi NCR is affected because of this weather conditions. Also, there have been water logging has been witnesses at Minto Road, Mathura Road, following heavy rains, as well as Bharat Mandapam, which is a very posh location of Delhi, has been waterlogged in the early hours today.
Right, as you mentioned, several areas have been affected and therefore traffic police in Delhi has also issued an advisory. Walk us through the do's and don'ts that the advisory consists for our viewers.
Yes, the advisory, advisory which has been issued by the traffic control is that please kindly avoid going into the waterlogging parts of the cities which are heavily logged. You should, if you have any important work, then only please travel. Otherwise, it is better to stay at home because of the waterlogging and the rain it is going to continuously, the showers are going to be there in the later parts of the day, as there has been an orange alert for Haryana as well, for Palwal, Gurgaon, Faridabad. There also moderate to heavy rainfall is expected. So people are advised to stay at home.
Right, so it's not just the capital city, but surrounding areas in the NCR region as well have been affected, including Noida, Gurugram and Faridabad, as you mentioned. I also want to understand, is this an isolated spell of rainfall? What's the forecast like for the next coming days?
Yeah, it is expected. It is a red and orange alert for Delhi NCR region. Also, it is expected a continued rainfall activity in Himachal Pradesh, which is already affected by a cloud burst in Uttarakhand and a very high rainfall in Himachal Pradesh. So there is heavy rainfall is expected, and IMD has issued a orange alert for 11th and 12th in 3 districts and a yellow alert for remaining districts as well.